Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to update your Roblox application on your Android device. Keeping your app updated is crucial for the best gaming experience, as updates often include new features, bug fixes, and improvements. So, let's jump right in. First, locate the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the app you'll use to manage and update all your applications. Once you have it open, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tapping on this icon will take you to a menu where you can access various settings related to your account and apps. Next, select Manage Apps and Device from the Overflow menu. This section will show you all the apps installed on your device, along with their update status. It's a handy way to see what needs attention. Once you're in the Manage Apps and Device section, navigate to the Updates Available area. Here, you'll find a list of apps that have updates waiting for you. It's always a good idea to check this section regularly to ensure all your apps, including Roblox, are up to date. Now take a look to see if Roblox is listed among the apps needing updates. If you see Roblox on this list, you're almost there. Simply tap on the Update button next to Roblox. This will initiate the download and installation of the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, you can open Roblox and enjoy the latest features and enhancements. Remember, keeping your app updated not only improves your experience, but also ensures you have access to all the new content and security improvements. That's it for today. Updating Roblox is a quick and easy process, and we hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on all things Roblox.